Yo YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm just creating this quick tutorial today to show you how to get GOURDY fast in Dandy's world. This is the easiest method, guys. It's going to prevent you having to grind the game to unlock him. You can literally use this Dandy world code and it's going to allow you to get all tunes for free, and this is going to get you GOURDY as well. So guys, make sure you follow all of the instructions. Before I start the tutorial, drop a like on this video and subscribe for more awesome Dandy's world tutorials. Now guys, what you're going to want to do to unlock GOURDY fast using a Dandy's world code, you need to use your mobile phone internet browser. So just pick up your mobile, I'm sure you have one, and head on over to this website, www.coldcoupons.com. So as you can see, guys, you just got to type it exactly like this into your internet browser, and it's going to take you to Cold Coupons. Now this is basically a game code website. They have loads of different Roblox games. They have other games as well. So use the search bar, and this speeds up the process of finding the Dandy's world codes. So there we go. There's 2 available codes, guys, and this is the fastest method to get GOURDY unlocked for free. And as you can see, guys, Dandy's world unlock all toon skins, and this includes GOURDY. So all you need to do is click on get code and click on show full code. Now this entire process literally takes just a few minutes, and it's going to get you GOURDY. So this is going to save you a bunch of time, because I believe people are grinding days and days to unlock this new toon. So as you can see, guys, it says your code is ready and will be revealed below after verification. And you can see your Dandy's world code is currently locked. You need to unlock this code by clicking this button and follow the instructions on this preceding screen. I'm just going to skip through this, guys. I don't want this tutorial to be too long, and I've already done this. But basically, you need to complete a couple of these tasks. You're going to see a bunch of free ones, and you just need to follow the instructions for the 2 that you choose, guys. Super simple. And if you do that and fully complete 2 tasks, it will send you back to this page on Cold Coupons, and your Dandy's world code will be unlocked. And that is how to get GOURDY fast in Dandy's world. And this is working right now for the Halloween update, guys. So you've got to go to Cold Coupons, and on this Dandy world codes page, just select the unlock all code, and that is going to get you GOURDY. So I hope you enjoyed, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below, or slip me a DM and I can help out. Smash the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.